Hello everyone, this is our website Community GIS, and when you will go to explore themes, you will be able to see the themes we have developed so far, and today I'll show you a demo of Health GIS. So I'll I have landed on Health GIS theme, and we have two views to visualize our health care facilities all over India, that is All India view and Navigated Area view. So when I click on All India view, I get these options: hospital sub-center. So as you can see, this is a community volunteered hospital data, which we have collected through the community, and you can also contribute by clicking on this volunteer option. You will land on a Kobo toolbox form, and you can fill this form, and we will get the data. We will clean the data, and we can fetch the maps in our interface. So when I click on it, hospitals all over the India are visualized. I click on any of one of them, and I get this information. You can also give feedbacks, or if you see any discrepancy, or you have some suggestions, you can click on this button and fill this form. You can also attach the screenshot of the error and describe your suggestions here. You can click you can click on this state and district checkboxes to switch on the district wise and state wise boundaries of the India. Now I will show you the navigated area view. So as you can see, you can go to any state, you can select any district. This is Akola, and we have pin code level granularity in our website, so you can go to any pin code also. So these are the state related data which we have only for Maharashtra for now, like road network, demography layer, this is the demography layer, and this is government schools of Maharashtra, and through this you can see the tribal areas of Maharashtra, and you can see the legend additional TSP MADA, mini MADA, tribal subplan. You can click on any village and you will get the data, like name of the village, tribal pop. So when I go to explore healthcare facilities in navigated area view, we have two options: Maharashtra government health facilities and community volunteered hospital data, which I showed you in All India view also. So in this section, we have three types of data: rural data and urban data, which is fetched from census 2011, like CHC and PHC. CHC and PHC data. And this is urban 2011 census data, allopathy hospitals and alternate hospitals. The main part is dedicated COVID facilities which are present in the Arogya website of Maharashtra government, and they provide these three COVID facilities data, that is dedicated COVID hospitals, centers, and dedicated COVID centers. So they keep on updating this, and the recent data they have uploaded is 26 June, that is yesterday midnight, and we have that in our interface the very next day. So as you can see, the circles are of different sizes. That is because the larger the circle, the larger the number of isolation beds in that particular health facility. That is, if I'll click on this, the number of isolation beds are 400, and if I click on somewhat smaller bubble, I'll get the total isolation beds only 90. So I have created 3 sizes for 3 ranges, and you can give feedback about this also. So thank you so much.